The File Picker. Hi, welcome back to Estatoora LMS tutorial. In this lesson, we're going to learn about the File Picker. The File Picker enables you to add files at Estatoora LMS. You can see the File Picker when using Activity Chooser, or when you're in a text editor and you want to add an image, audio, video, or an H5P file. To use it, click the Add File button and you will see the repositories. The repositories are the places where you can find the files that you're going to upload. You can upload files from your desktop or maybe flash drive, recent files, server files, or file saves on the site, private files, and URL. If you are an Estatoora LMS subscriber, you can also directly add a file from your Google Drive. On the top right corner, you may choose the type of view of the file manager. It can be an icon, grid, or hierarchy view. And that's it! You can now explore File Picker. Now that you learned the File Picker, you can now move on to the next video or find out more in the Estatoora LMS documentation. Thank you!